dropping off my first load. I got 2 loads drop off. Next load is an hour away. I actually already booked a load to go home. I booked this load. I got paid good, but it's assisted, and I gotta find a pallet. Find a pallet somewhere. Find a pallet and load it up myself. And I'm looking at some pallets right now. Got 12, had to break this down. Everything turned sideways except that one. To the door. What up, y'all? What up, y'all? It's your boy Lando. I am the man, though. So what's going on, man? Y'all gonna ride with me again. It's another Friday vlog. You know, didn't plan on recording, but I said this is an interesting one. Let's tell the people how I really move out here, right? So what I usually do is I grab a full load and a partial. Yeah. A lot of people would say that's risky, which it is. But most of the time I'm praying. You know, most of the partial guys, they just look for straight partials, not me. That full load gonna come up first. I'm gonna grab that full load and I'm gonna grab a partial with it. I'm gonna make it work. I would make it work. So that's what this load was. This load definitely was one of those praying loads. I had to pray that it fit. I had to pray that it fit, and it fit. I made it happen. I made it work, man. Where there's a will, there's a way. So what happened? I picked up a load in Kansas, partial. I'm like, man, I got a full empty truck. Man, I'm gonna grab a full load. Grab a full load, 12 pallets. Ooh, you know, a 26 footer usually fit on the 12 pallets. But Kirk the Fresh, he said if you turn them sideways, it can fit 14. So I'm like, I got enough room for 10 pallets. If I turn it sideways, it should be able to fit. So that's what happened. But the partials I had, it took up a little bit more than 5 feet, but I made it work. So what happened? I put it on there. We had to break down one of the pallets. Guys, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Every ship ain't gonna do that, but you gotta know how to finesse a little bit. So my pallet jack barely fit on there, you know, but that's what it is, man. I'm headed to Texas right now. These 2, you know, the first load that I grabbed, I was in an area that it wasn't that much going on, so I had to just grab something, right? So right after that, I grabbed this. We made up for it. Everything made up. I'm making good money, so you got once you master that partial game, man, you're gonna be all right. I haven't mastered it, but I know what I know. How they said, there's more than one way to skin the pig, something like that. But so this is how I do my partial. Would I adjust it? Yes. I'm actually gonna try running straight partial, but I did try and I ran into some difficulties, because for me at the time I was new, and it was hard telling the shipper, the broker, like, all right, I'm gonna deliver it on this date. They're like, nah, we want it on this date. But now it's all about how you just gotta know how to talk to them. So one of my main thing, what I do is I ask them what's the earliest and the latest. Now, that broker is hoping you drop it off on the earliest, but in my head, I really want the latest so I have room. So I'm actually gonna do a vlog just grabbing straight partials, no full load, just straight partials. You know, but yeah. Y'all ride with me, man. I'm headed on over to Texas. I'm spending the weekend in Texas again. It is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? I might get me a cowboy hat. Cowboy hat. I'm not a cowboy fan. Well, you already know what time it is. So that's what's going on with me right now, guys. Y'all ride out with me, man. Y'all follow me on this trip, man. On this weekend journey. I'm back in Texas. I've been in Texas for the last, dang, out of this 4 weeks, I've been in Texas 3 weekends in a row. 3 weekends out of the 4. weekends I've been in Texas. No, one of us been in Tennessee. But I drove from Texas that weekend. So I've been in Texas, but Texas my zone. I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm gonna make a video too on my how I do my route. I might even drop it before this one. I don't know. We'll see. I'll tap that King. Alright, y'all, we got Buc-ee's in there. Apparently it's probably the biggest gas station. But I continue a lot all over. Like, I don't know if it's something new, but I've been whatever. I think one is for it. Hey. So you back there and look at it. Yeah, that's fine. I've been there like 2 times already, but I'll show y'all. But let me play, yeah. Go over this. How big that parking lot is. Y'all watched the last video. I bought these right here from Walmart for $34. We're gonna love selling it for. Hey man, everything cheaper outside of truck stop. Supply and demand. Wow. Alright, y'all. I got hungry. Hold up. I gotta get me something to eat. You know, taco, some Mexican food, really. Hey, shout out to my essays. I don't even know if that's offensive. You know what? Forgive me if it's offensive. I didn't mean it. Got avocado taco. That's what it look like. You know, I ain't eating no meat. Corn. Okay. That's what we got next. We got this little bowl thing right here. You know, your boy vegan right now. I eat seafood, but you know, right now I'm taking good food. I've been here though. Then everybody go hit this gym. This face dirty. Need to be washed. Found this gym. You know, I use my app, man. I'm about to go check this gym out. Check this gym out. Damn. I'm gonna get it in, man. It's leg day. Yeah. True Fit, never heard of. I'm out here in Brownsville, Texas. I'm at the border, boy. Literally at the border. They say the border is like 20 minutes away. Down the street. Squat going down, nothing too crazy. Leg day. What up, y'all? What up, y'all? We don't be on top of the morning. You know, it's now Sunday. You know, I don't know if I recorded yesterday. Well, y'all see, it's probably your show before. I'm about to hit this gym again, man. You know, if I drive this truck over there, got a couple of run arounds. Once I come back to this hotel, I ain't going nowhere. Oh well. Go what's up? Yeah, man. might record more this time. Come get a little bit. I ain't gonna get much. Check my shirt out though. Let's see. Let's see. It's time. It's my time. You don't want to see the back. You don't want to see the back. I see that. Where they coming from? Might hit the tricep, might hit the shoulders. Who knows? What's up, y'all? What's up? Boy, I look rough, boy. I need to go home and shave up and get myself right. But it's Monday. Babe back there. I'm dropping off my first load. I got 2 loads. Drop off the next load is an hour away. I actually already booked a load to go home. I booked this load. I got paid good, but it's assisted, and I gotta find a pallet. Find a pallet somewhere. Find a pallet and load it up myself. And I'm looking at some pallets right now. I don't know. One of these might be one of my pallets. Yeah. Let's see. I need a like a double pallet, like an extra long one. Oh yeah, bomb right there. Got him. Right there. Look at God, man. Let me see if I grab one of these. Look at God. Y'all see this? Hey, as soon as they offload, I'm like, hey, can I get one pallet? They say no, it's all good. It's all good. Not like this. God here. What's up, guys? I'm still here. I'm still at this first stop. I've been here for like, I've been from 7:30. The appointment was at 8. You know, you're early, you're on time, you're on time, you're late. I look rough. I'm sorry, I keep saying that, I know, but that's how I feel. It's now after 9, like 9:30. We're just about to offload. Trying to get the pallet out of the dude. We gonna see. Florida Gators, I guess. Peterbilt. But if it was green. Do.